everybody, my name is Ashley and today I'm here to show you the Grey Wolf 26 MBRR. Come with me and let's check it out. Check out the interior on the 26 MBRR. This is a toy hauler, so look at all this huge cargo space that you have. This space functions as your eating area, entertainment, and also cargo space, of course. These sofas can lift up, so it will open this area up completely. And this also functions as a sleeping area. So this table can go down a level, the cushions spread out on the table, and you have a huge, massive king-size bed area here in the back. Or if you have kids or adults, you can have two separate sleeping spaces as well. In the very back of the unit, we have the large cargo door. That is going to be your ramp system where your toys are going to come up into the unit, whether that's your four-wheelers, motorcycles, golf carts, any of those types of items. And when you're not using that to put your cargo in the unit, it duals as an extra sort of a party space. So you have your party deck with your fencing system all around. So this is this huge open storage space. Moving forward in the 26 MBRR, you still have all this additional space for any of your cargo, kayaks, whatever you would want to put in. Something really unique about this floor plan that you almost never see in a non-slide toy hauler is a fireplace and entertainment setup. So it's a really cool additional feature. On this side of the unit, we've put the entire kitchen so that we maximize your storage space for any of your toys. So you're gonna have your full-size kitchen setup, your farm-style residential sink, stove and oven, your microwave, plenty of cabinetry, storage here on this side, as well as your large 12-volt refrigerator. On this Grey Wolf and all of our Grey Wolf models, you'll have your juice pack, which is our 50-watt solar panel battery and battery disconnect. So you can run your refrigerator, your lights, your awnings, slide outs in the units where that would apply with your juice pack. Moving forward in the unit, you have your spacious pass-through bathroom. You have your radius style shower, plenty of cabinetry, your vanity, and your medicine cabinet for plenty of storage. Finally, in the front of the unit, we have the private bedroom with your queen-size bed, plenty of overhead cabinetry and wardrobes, as well as plenty of storage space underneath the bed, which you can access from inside the unit or also through the exterior cargo door.